Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red line here is coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely updates once again need to be made. A disappointing day, and I say that with the gap up, and then the price was actually came out of the gates just stampeding upwards. At first, basically hour and a half, very nice, and then all of a sudden it's like somebody hit the pause button, and then right down it went. The good news is I would definitely agree that this level of resistance was weakened up today because the price, like I said, it showed that it was able to get back above there. So 89 cents, it does still remain a level of resistance, but I would say that it's been weakened up. But, you know, weakened level of resistance or not, still got to be considered an area of resistance. But what I actually am going to do is let me do this. Let me actually make this a little bit skinnier of a line to represent that, yes, sure, it is still technically an area, but it's not quite as big of a resistance as I would expect. Although at this point, because this purple line here, the 50-period moving average, has now moved down below that red line, keyword being a moving average, this purple line actually takes higher priority. So really at this point, before you put any more focus on doing battle with 89 cents again, the price first needs to prove itself by getting up above that purple line, the 50-period, again, moving average, like I said, which is currently valued at 87. So keep an eye on that and just keep that dynamic in mind, that because that is a moving average, that is going to take more and more, focus as Friday plays out. So again, yes, 89 cents without doubt is a level of resistance, but price first needs to be able to get above that purple line initially. As far as levels of support are concerned, continue to watch that pink line there, which I talked about quite a bit on Wednesday. So it was good to see that the price didn't even go back and test that pink line there, but that is the 200-period moving average, which is currently valued at the 79-cent mark. So all in all, interesting setup here going into Friday, so let's see how it closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.